Hey everyone, what is up? Mark here, and today we're diving deep into the world of pre-built gaming PCs with a system that's been turning heads, the CLX SET Gaming Desktop. This thing is an absolute beast on paper, but the real question is, does it live up to the hype? We're talking about a machine packing an AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, a GeForce RTX 3060, and a whopping 32 gigs of RAM. All that for a cool $1,669.99. Now, that might sound like a chunk of change, but hold your horses. This PC boasts a solid 4.6-star rating with over 1,000 reviews, so people are definitely digging it. But before you go emptying your wallets, let's break down the good, the bad, and everything in between. Stick around to find out if the CLX SET Gaming Desktop is the right fit for you. Alright, let's talk power. When it comes to gaming desktops, power is everything. It's the difference between a smooth, immersive experience and a frustrating, lag-filled one. And the CLX SET Gaming Desktop, it's got power in spades. The CLX SET Gaming Desktop is packing some serious heat with its AMD Ryzen 9 5900X processor. This isn't just any processor, it's a 12-core, 24-thread beast that can handle anything you throw at it. This 12-core monster can handle pretty much anything you throw at it, from AAA gaming to heavy multitasking. Whether you're running the latest games at max settings, streaming your gameplay, or editing high-resolution videos, this processor won't break a sweat. Trust me, you'll be switching between games, streaming, and editing like it's nothing. The seamless performance ensures that you can juggle multiple tasks without any hiccups, making it perfect for content creators and multitaskers alike. And speaking of gaming, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card is no slouch either. This GPU is designed to deliver stunning visuals and smooth frame rates, even in the most demanding games. You'll be able to crank up the settings on all the latest titles and enjoy smooth, immersive gameplay. Ray tracing? No problem. The RTX 3060 handles it with ease, bringing lifelike lighting, shadows, and reflections to your games. High refresh rates? You got it. But wait, there's more! The combination of high refresh rates and the powerful GPU means you'll experience ultra-smooth gameplay, which is crucial for competitive gaming. With 32 GB of RAM, you can kiss lag goodbye. This amount of memory ensures that your system can handle multiple applications and large files without slowing down. This system can handle even the most demanding applications and games without breaking a sweat. Whether you're running a virtual machine, editing 4K videos, or playing the latest AAA games, the CLX SET Gaming Desktop has got you covered. Multitasking is a breeze, and you'll never have to worry about running out of memory. You can have multiple browser tabs, applications, and games open at the same time without any performance issues. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just someone who demands the best, the CLX SET Gaming Desktop delivers exceptional performance on all fronts. It's built to handle the most intensive tasks with ease. It's like having a supercar parked on your desk. The sleek design and RGB lighting make it a centerpiece in any room, and the performance matches its stunning looks. But how does this translate to real-world usage? Well, let's dive into some real-world scenarios to see how this beast performs. Well, in our testing, we were blown away by the results. Games loaded incredibly fast, frame rates were buttery smooth, and even when we pushed the system to its limits, it just kept going. No stutters, no lag, just pure performance. Games loaded incredibly fast, frame rates were buttery smooth, and even when we pushed the system to its limits, it just kept going. The performance was consistent, and we never experienced any slowdowns or crashes. The combination of the Ryzen 9 5900X and the RTX 3060 is a match made in heaven. They work together seamlessly to deliver top-notch performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on creative projects. They complement each other perfectly, delivering an unparalleled gaming experience. The synergy between the CPU and GPU ensures that you get the best possible performance in every scenario. And with 32 GB of RAM, you're future-proofed for years to come. This system is built to last, and you won't need to upgrade your memory anytime soon. So if you're looking for a PC that can handle anything, the CLX SET Gaming Desktop is definitely worth considering. It's a powerhouse that will elevate your gaming and productivity to new heights. With its top-of-the-line components and exceptional build quality, the CLX SET Gaming Desktop is a true beast in the world of gaming PCs. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The cost of a high-performance gaming desktop can be a significant investment, and it's crucial to understand what you're getting for your money. At $1,669.99, the CLX SET Gaming Desktop isn't exactly cheap. This price point might make some potential buyers hesitate, especially if they're on a budget. However, when you consider the specs and the performance you're getting, it's actually quite competitive. The desktop is equipped with high-end components that ensure smooth and immersive gaming experiences. One potential downside is that the RTX 3060, while a capable card, might not be the absolute top of the line anymore. With newer models being released, some gamers might feel the need to upgrade sooner than expected. If you're planning on gaming at 4K resolution with all the bells and whistles, you might want to consider a model with a more powerful GPU. The RTX 3060 can handle most games at high settings, but for the ultimate experience, a higher-end card might be necessary. Some users have also reported that the included keyboard and mouse are a bit basic. While they get the job done, they might not provide the premium feel that some gamers are looking for. While they're perfectly functional, you might want to upgrade to something more premium down the line. Investing in a high-quality keyboard and mouse can significantly enhance your gaming experience. Another thing to keep in mind is that pre-built PCs sometimes come with bloatware. These are unnecessary software programs that manufacturers include, which can slow down your system. Be prepared to spend a few minutes uninstalling any unnecessary software that comes pre-installed. This small task can help optimize your system's performance and free up valuable resources. Overall, the CLX SET Gaming Desktop doesn't have any major flaws. It's a solid choice for gamers looking for a reliable and powerful system. However, it's important to be aware of these minor drawbacks before making a decision. Weighing the pros and cons will help you determine if this gaming desktop is the right fit for your needs and budget. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty and talk about the features that make the CLX SET Gaming Desktop stand out. First up, storage. This is where the CLX SET truly shines. You get a super fast 500GB NVMe M2 SSD that will make your system boot up in seconds. Imagine turning on your computer and being ready to go almost instantly. And it's not just about boot times. This SSD will load games faster than you can say frame rates. No more waiting around for your favorite games to start. But that's not all. You also get a spacious 4TB HDD for all your files, games, and media. This means you can store a massive library of games, movies, music, and more. That's right, 4 terabytes of storage. Think about all the high-resolution videos, extensive game libraries, and countless photos you can keep without a second thought. You'll never have to worry about running out of space again. Whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or just someone who loves to hoard digital files, this desktop has got you covered. The CLX SET Gaming Desktop also boasts a sleek and stylish black design that will look great on any desk. It's a perfect blend of form and function. It's not overly flashy, but it has a certain understated elegance to it. The minimalist design ensures it fits seamlessly into any setup, whether it's a professional workspace or a gaming den. And if you're someone who likes to tinker with their hardware, you'll be thrilled with the expandability options. This PC is highly expandable. You can easily upgrade the RAM, storage, or even the graphics card down the line. This means your system can grow with your needs. Whether you're looking to boost performance or add more storage, the CLX SET makes it simple. Connectivity options are plentiful with multiple USB ports, audio jacks, and even a built-in Wi-Fi adapter. This ensures you have all the connections you need for your peripherals and devices. The built-in Wi-Fi adapter means you can connect to the internet wirelessly, giving you more flexibility in where you place your desktop. You'll have no problem connecting all your peripherals and devices. From keyboards and mice to external drives and VR headsets, the CLX SET has you covered. Let's talk turkey. The CLX SET Gaming Desktop will set you back $1,669.99. Now that's not exactly pocket change, but is it a fair price for what you're getting? In my opinion, it's a solid value proposition. You're getting a powerful processor, a capable graphics card, a generous amount of RAM and storage, and a well-built system overall. Of course, you can always try to build your own PC for less, but that requires time, effort, and a bit of technical know-how. With the CLX SET Gaming Desktop, you're getting a hassle-free experience right out of the box. Plus, don't forget about the peace of mind that comes with buying a pre-built PC. You get a warranty, technical support, and the assurance that everything has been properly assembled and tested. So, if you're looking for a powerful and reliable gaming PC, and you don't want to go through the hassle of building your own, the CLX SET Gaming Desktop is definitely worth considering. Alright, so you've decided that the CLX SET Gaming Desktop is the one for you, but where can you actually buy it? Well, the model number you're looking for is TGM SET Earth 1642BM. You can usually find it on popular online retailers like Amazon, Newegg, and the CLX website itself. I'll be sure to leave some links in the description down below so you can check it out. When shopping around, be sure to compare prices and look for any deals or discounts that might be available. You might be able to snag it for even less than the MSRP. And hey, if you're feeling lucky, maybe you can try your luck in the comments section. Let me know what you think of the CLX SET Gaming Desktop, and maybe, just maybe, we'll pick one lucky winner to receive a special surprise. So there you have it, folks. The CLX SET Gaming Desktop is a powerful and well-rounded machine that's sure to satisfy even the most demanding gamers and PC enthusiasts. It's not without its minor drawbacks, but the overall package is impressive. If you're in the market for a new gaming PC and you don't want to break the bank, the CLX SET Gaming Desktop is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to weigh the pros and cons and decide if it's the right fit for your needs and budget. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the CLX SET Gaming Desktop. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech reviews. Until next time.